look like it's premium or whatever you guys call it, yaki, real Brazilian girl, I'm going to wear it red. Fake it until you make it. So welcome back to my channel, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, because today we're going to talk about this wig that I got for $13.25 from Rose Wholesale. Okay, $13.25, under $20. Okay, and I'm gonna talk about this hair, where I got this hair from as well. But let's get into the video. Okay guys, so it came in a package. I already opened it, but I didn't really look at the actually I did, because I took the cap, because I couldn't find the cap for this hair, this wig, so they'll get on me. So it came in this like package like this, and for the like how I ordered this, like what today is, on the 2nd, and it came yesterday. It came yesterday. Actually, did it came today? Dang, hold on. Yeah, it came today. So it came today, and it really does, like, I should have did the flat, like, because I didn't want to pay like over what it was cost already. It was $13.25, and that's how much I wanted to pay. And they had an option if you wanted to pay for like fast shipping or a tracking number, and it came with a tracking number as well. But when I paid for it, they took off, instead of the $13.25, they took off like $14.25, so they added $1, so it came with the tracking number anyway. So I was like, I didn't authorize that, but okay, because you do need a tracking number. And yeah, so now let's just get this package out now. So it had a cap, one cap, which I use this for this hair, and it came with clips. I really don't know how to use like clips. I don't know how does that work, but I'm going to search and like how does that work? Like, what do you do with the clips? Like, do you put it underneath to like attach it to your hair with that so it firms good? Like, I don't know. Like, guys, tell me like why they gave me this for. Like, what's the pinning? Yeah, I don't know. So, and let's look at the hair itself. So let me show you the picture of how it looked on the internet. So I got the dyed perm middle part body wave long synthetic wig. So it's a synthetic wig. The color is jet black. Can I speak? Can I talk? It's 24 inches, and this is how it look. As you can see, it's 13. It don't want to show. It's $13.25 and 24 inches, and it had good reviews, so I was like, why not get it? Whatever. So let's get into this, the hair. So it came in another packet like this, and it came in a net. Oh, it came with a comb as well, a little Barbie comb. It looks small. Like, this don't even look like a legit like comb. Like, it's not even straight. It's like a bunch of metals. I don't know, the way it looks. Oh, let me take off the packet. It's like glare. You really can't see when you're struggling. Like, look how it looks. Like, it's not. Like a little Barbie. Okay. So let's get to the hair. I know I've been like, you know, with that, but let's get into the hair. So it came in a net and tissue in there, I guess, to secure the net and everything. But this whole flying out, so I'm gonna take that out. Ooh. This curl is trying to hold on to something, okay? Now, I don't want to unravel this because I'm saving this for, you know, my birthday's coming up. So I'm saving it for that. And like the parting is really good. I like it. It's like, it's very long as well. It's not the Chinese one that be like right here, like right there. Like, that's not gonna do nothing for me. It's like very good. And of course I have to like tweeze it a little bit. And it's not a lace front. It is not a lace front, but I know where you can make a wig into a lace front, so I'm not even worried about it. And it's like really, really curly. And they did say this is a dyed permed hair. You know how they just be saying things on the internet, it's not really true, but you know what I'm saying. And like, this is like, and the way the texture is, it's like a rough, like it's soft, but it's like a rough, you know, because it's synthetic, so can't get really much of the softness really. But I know some synthetic, like this one right here is really soft. This one is like so rough, like a rough feeling. And then for $13.25, like paper here, $13.25, like this is really good. And then the insides, it have the just in case if it's like big or short, you can have that, and a cap from that. That's good. There's no combs in here. I don't think I'll need combs really in here, just as long as I will have these secure it. I think that's what was the pin for, like the things that I showed you earlier. So I'm trying to like run my fingers through it, even though I didn't say I was gonna do anything to it, but you guys gotta see, right? Look at this. $13.25. Okay, let me try it on. Let me just try it on. I'm not gonna do anything to it. I'm just gonna try it on. So don't tell me, oh, you should have just tweeted it. Right? Guys, let me go back to this. So this hair right here, you guys want a video? This is my first wig. Like, this is the lace front. Like, this is my first hair. Like, this is my first, and I was like, I was on like a short blunt bow, like this one, and this one exceeded my expectation. But for this one, I got like $45 for this one at my local beauty supply store, and I love this. I had so many compliments on this, and I really love it. So, and it's synthetic, but is it? I forgot. I think it is, but if it's cheap and if it's fake it until you make it, okay? When you don't got the money right now, I'm going to school, so but who don't want to save money though? So let's take this off and put on let's put on her. We're gonna call her Sasha. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. Okay, so I would definitely have to like conceal this right here, and I would definitely have to like work this thing out, like definitely. Like, hold on, let's put this closer, cause like I would definitely like look at this. Like I would definitely have to tweeze this, and then like yeah, I would to like cut some of the like front ends and everything. No wonder it doesn't have, that's why they gave me the clip thing, because it doesn't have the comb inside. And it's getting me hot right now. But it is getting really messy real quick. I mean, it is $13.25, but I would definitely have to work this, like, definitely, because I can turn, like, look at the part, like, I would, yeah, a lot of work to do. But guys, other than that, like, why I would give it, like, I would give it a 4. Like, it's not a 5 because of course I gotta do a lot of work, things to do, but for $13.25, then for that value, it did give it that $13.25. Okay, and it's making me real hot right now, like, oh gosh. So, and I think it's true to length as well. See the back, how the back looks. So it's true to length as well. Actually, I'll give it like a 3.5 because I really had to, and I didn't look at the parting because I feel like I have to do a lot more than that because they're just too little. And of course I have to work on it and everything and fix the front part of it, and it gets really messy quick. I'm not gonna lie, like, I start rubbing my fingers through it and it started getting messy. So guys, you know, give you a heads up if you guys gonna buy it, you know that is gonna happen because it's synthetic, of course, and you gotta make sure you take care of it. So yeah, and it says what it says, that is, it looks true like what it says on the website, but I feel like something is off. Like, I don't know, me trying to say something bad, but like, it didn't exceed my expectation. It just met it. Like, that's what it says. We're watching this little review, that's the color, and of course I have to do some Rose Wholesale, and I will do another video on it of how I customize it, or like, of course, like what I did to it and everything. So guys, stay tuned for that part 2. And guys, don't forget to subscribe and like. So you guys, don't forget to comment. I need you guys to be in this family. Like, roll with me, you know? Comment. No, we're not here. Comment. Okay. Success by myself, but you guys can come in this journey with me. You know what I'm saying? 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 So